Hey everyone, ever thought that writing a business plan could be fun? I know, a business plan is a serious document and it is important for your business goals like applying for funding. But guess what? Writing a business plan can actually be a fun journey of discovery about your business. Let's dive into how you can make the process exciting and enjoyable. Hi, I'm Krish Moodley and today we're going to explore how to make writing a business plan fun and exciting. Ready? Let's get started. First, think about your business vision. Imagine where you see your business in the future. Close your eyes and picture it. Dream big and let your imagination run wild. This is your chance to get creative and think about all the possibilities. Write down your vision in a way that excites you. Use colorful words and maybe even draw a vision board. This will make the process feel more like telling a story. Next, dive into some detective work, market research. Find out who your competitors are, what your target audience wants, and the latest trends in your industry. Think of it as solving a mystery. The more you discover, the more fun it gets. Create charts, graphs, and infographics to make your findings visual and exciting. Seeing your research come to life can be really rewarding. Now, let's talk about strategies. How will you market your business and make sales? This is like planning a game. Think about creative campaigns, social media challenges, and fun ways to engage with your customers. Get your team involved and brainstorm together. Bounce off ideas and come up with fun and innovative strategies. Setting goals and objectives can be super motivating. Break down your big goals into smaller, achievable steps. It's like setting milestones in a video game. Every time you reach one, you get closer to leveling up. Financial planning might sound boring, but think of it as a puzzle. You're putting together pieces to see the bigger picture of your business's financial health. It's satisfying when everything fits together. Use budgeting apps or templates to make it easier and more interactive. Seeing your financial plan come together can be very rewarding. Writing a business plan can be a fun and exciting journey. It's all about exploring your vision, researching the market, crafting creative strategies, setting motivating goals, and piecing together your financial puzzle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful business. And if you need personalized help with your business plan, contact us. Details in the description. We're here to help you succeed and have fun along the way.